What's the difference between PVA-88 series and 99 series? Type 88 PVA is mainly used for adhesive, warp size, water-soluble film, ultra-light clay, putty powder. Type 99 PVA is mainly used for paper surface setting agent, plywood glue, high viscosity adhesive, fabric setting material. In terms of solubility, Type 88 PVA solubility is better, can be dissolved in both cold water and hot water. But Type 99 PVA can be only dissolved in hot water, basically inseparable from the reactor. The viscosity of 88 series PVA is lower than 99 series, such as PVA-2488 and PVA-2499. PVA-2488 viscosity in 40 to 50, while PVA-2499 viscosity in 40 to 60. PVA-2688 and PVA-2699. PVA-2688 viscosity in 50 to 58. PVA-2699 viscosity in 60 to 75. 88 series PVA smells less and more environmentally friendly in production use. Some 88 series PVA price is higher than 99 series price. If you'd like to learn more about PVA, please leave your message or contact us.